Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Long time no see. It's been like a year and a half-ish since I've posted a YouTube video, and I am so excited to be back. I'm going to get ready with you and create this beautiful yellowy green look and kind of chat with you a little bit about my absence and what I want to bring to the channel going forward. So if you're interested in that, let's get into it. Okay, so I've already applied my foundation and primer because that is for another video. I used the Primetime Glow and Hydrate, or Hydrate and Glow, and the Cali Ray Skin Tint. So I'm gonna start with contour from Milani, the Conceal and Perfect in Honey 1, and just put that wherever I want to look more snatched. I'm going to take my StansOut Beauty sponge and wet it with some setting spray on this more flat edge and blend that out. And while we're blending, let's start chatting. So I last posted, I think, in the fall or winter of 2022, and I had intended to take a break for the holidays and then come back, and I had actually filmed some videos in like January or February of 2023 and edited them and everything, but I just never posted them because at that time I kind of fell into a bit of a depression. You know, that does happen with bipolar disorder. You cycle and things happen. So I feel like I've been in this depression for at least a year now. It's like the longest depression of my life, and it didn't help that during this time Apis died. If you don't know who Apis is, he was my Chiweenie that was with me for 13 years, and he died this past summer. So that was really devastating, and I think contributed to my depression lasting even longer. And yeah, I still miss him terribly. I have a shrine to him and everything. It's so sad. So again, StansOut Beauty sponge to blend this out, and this was the LYS concealer. I'm gonna try and have all the products linked below. Some of the links may be affiliate links and I would get a small commission, but it doesn't cost you any extra if you use those links. I appreciate you supporting me and my channel. Anyways, Apis passed, and so then my depression was extra extended. I just felt like of all the things, YouTube could just be the thing that I don't do. I was still posting on TikTok and Instagram. I'm gonna go into a cream blush from Merit. This is Terracotta, and just swipe that on my cheeks and on the tip of my nose. To set, I'm taking the Chilling Wonder Powder from Hard Candy. Just taking that under my eyes and spreading it out over my whole face. And I am no longer working. I left my job due to not feeling that I could do it with my medical conditions. And you know, medical professionals agree. I'm going to prime my eyes with Sigma's Persuade. I know a lot of people love Ignite. I haven't tried Ignite, but for my lighter to fair skin, I do like Persuade a lot. I'm going in with the Natasha Denona Yucca palette and just doing something a little bit on the yellowy greeny side. I do miss YouTube so much. It was one of my favorite creative outlets, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of work, and if you want to grow, you have to really treat it like a job, which is what I was trying to do. And I am not someone who can really work 2 jobs easily, so that was a lot on me. But I am trying to be back now that I am in a current unemployment state, and we'll just see how it goes. I'm going to try and shoot for hopefully about 2 videos a week. I don't want to put too much pressure on myself, but that is what I'm aiming for. I want it to be slightly more yellow, so I'm just going into the ColourPop Limoncello palette for this shimmery yellow just to bring that lemony color in here in the center. I recently posted a video of how I love the trend of melting your outer corner into your blush, and I love yellow blush, so I'm going to take a combination of 2 eyeshadows as a blush today, one from the Yucca and one from the Limoncello. Just mix those together as my blush, and then we're gonna blend it into the eye when we get there, or when I get there. Why do I always say we? It's so weird because it's just me here. It's literally just me. During my time away, I actually got really into playing The Sims 4, and I'd like to try and incorporate some Sims 4 with some makeup content. So if that's something you'd be interested, please let me know. If you know you want to see Sims makeup content of some sort, because I feel like that would combine my 2 like interests right now and make me really happy. I'm just really diffusing that blush, and then I'm gonna take for that same eyeshadow brush that I used and really bring up the yellow into the blush. I thought I had a yellow pencil, but I can't find it, so I'm just going with a lime green one, and I'm gonna hope that that like blends in with the greeny yellow tones. Adding a bit of darkness on the lower lash line. Adding that bright yellow to the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take the Adept Stella palette and this gold shade and a big fluffy brush and use it as like a blush topper highlighter. Brows are done, setting spray is on. I'm doing this lip combo I've never done, the NYX Shine Loud Lip Liner in Global Citizen and the Sephora Sheer Shine Brilliance in number 11. And it's hard to talk while doing this. Just gonna put on some Bad Gal Bang, and gosh, I feel all over the place. I'm so rusty at filming. I don't remember if I've said, but if you are one of my subscribers that has stuck around through my hiatus and you're still here coming back to watch, thank you so much for your support and for like not just leaving. I really appreciate it, and for anybody who's new, like I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, but it really means a lot for all of you guys who did stick around even though I was kind of MIA on YouTube. And again, I don't remember if I've said this, but I do plan on coming back and being consistent and posting 2 times a week. I haven't decided what days specifically yet. I'm kind of thinking like Tuesday and Friday. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna play it by ear to begin with. All right, and that completes this look. I really like how the yellowy greeny eyeshadow melts into a warm yellow blush mixed with that terracotta cream I had underneath, and I will try to have all the products I use linked down below. Any use of the links is appreciated. They will be affiliate links, so I will get a small commission, but it will not cost you any extra. I appreciate if you choose to support this channel. Again, thank you guys so much for being here and for still supporting me even though I've been MIA. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!